Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. Really excited here in Southern California. We've got a yoga fountain going in. Now, what do I mean by yoga fountain? That the homeowner is actually going to sit on the side over there, going to go into the yoga mat, and they're actually going to be able to enjoy this. It's making a kind of a weird sound now, but once we get it all done, it's all going to make sense. I wanted to just explain to you some of the features of this. Was we dug the hole. We put something called geotextile fabric, which is this thing here, helps protect it from roots. And then when we have Firestone EPDM 45 millimeter liner that kind of keeps waterproofs everything. What we did was we put rocks to kind of stabilize this pipe right here. And then we put a special, it's called a frothy nozzle on here. There's a pump inside of here. It's it's an Awasi pump. We like the German stuff because they actually are the world's best in water, in pushing water and also in energy conservation. So that's what's pushing up here, and then it just recycles. And then over here, there's something. It looks like a toilet float. It actually could be, I guess, technically, but it's called an autofill, and it's actually gonna. When this loses water or evaporates, it's actually going to refill it up. Oops, I think the boys are here. They're bringing big giant stones, so we're going to cut this short, but I just wanted to give you an update on our latest project and how it's put together. This is Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.